once told, there's a time when you need to listen, so you can hear it, or you'll miss it. It's down there, below, underneath the water. Only say your name when snow is on the ground. I'm here, guess what? Hey, North, how did the flower cross the lake? It rose.
Not funny, West.
North, what took you so long?
You know what I just saw above? People.
What were they doing?
I don't know. They were the Anishinaabe. They were sort of weird looking.
I'm not going to let you ruin today. Why are we always waiting on you?
I swam so far I didn't know where I was. Then I was by the rocky cliffs. Rock on.
North, you know we're not supposed to go there without our copper horns.
Why do we need our copper horns anyway?
Because it's like what we do. It's who we are.
I'm not going to let you creatures stop me from getting my copper horns today.
Listen, I think something bad might happen with those humans. They had these giant nets, and the water was shallow.
North, stop. I'm the older creature, and I say let's get going.
You're so bossy, East.
I'm bossy? Well, you're grumpy McCreature.
What did you say to me?
Oh, hey, tadpoles. Hold on, I got one. What do you call a dog that is underwater? A subwoofer.
Bonjour, relatives! Okay, cut the music, rise and rise.
Why? 'Cause they said so. You got it, Unc Aunt Boo Boo. Yum. This green algae lettuce is minnow aya.
I said bonjour, relatives!
Boozoo, boozoo, boozoo.
Where are the graduates?
Oh, here, Boozoo.
Here, boozoo, boozoo.
North? Where's North?
Oh, hi there, Unc Aunt Boo Boo.
Boo to the Jew, to you too. Welcome, Miigwech. Thank you, Indinaway Maganadug, my relatives. Today is a very special day. What day is it?
I've been waiting for this moment my whole entire life.
Wow. How old are you?
12.
I said, what day is it?
The Wow Pow Ceremony Celebration Day of Horns! Horns, 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 horns!
Okay, hold it. North?
Day of the Horns, Unc Aunt Boo Boo.
Scale exactly. My great-grand creature's getting the horns. You must know that they are special horns. It only comes once in your lifetime. These horns aren't just any old horns. Now, what is special about these horns? North?
Me?
Yeah? Who can help North out? What is special about these horns? West.
When you mess with the bull, you get the horn.
Who did that? Oops, it was me. Excuse me. Whew, that was a good one, wasn't it? Very bubbly. Yeah. Now, what's special about these horns?
They're special because they're copper. Hello!
You got it, East. Copper is an element that purifies the water. We are related to water.
But why do our horns have to be copper? Oh no, North, now we're gonna be here for hours.
The copper horns have been with us since time immemorial. These horns are our culture. These horns are our strength.
Did you know horns are made from calcium?
Shh!
As you come of age and receive the copper on your horns, my little ones, the copper gives you power in the water. It creates peace and balance with our relatives in the sky, the Anamikig, the thunderbirds. It's how we communicate about the two-legged beings on Earth. Copper horns are a big responsibility. A big responsibility.
A big responsibility. Yeah, a big responsibility.
Yes, a big responsibility. Now, I remember when I first got mine. Now, I'm not gonna date myself, but let's just say scale bottoms and beads with fringe were in. And a time may come when the two-legged beings want to take from us or poison our water. That's when you get into a circle and activate your copper horns. We need everyone to know the importance of our copper horns, or our entire underwater creature community could be destroyed. So treat them with respect. Now, on the count of 3, place your copper horns on. Beijig, Nij, Niswe. Congratulations, my great-great-grand creatures.
Congratulations. Hoa! I can't wait to get mine one day.
I don't know if I deserve these copper horns.
Boozoo North, you coming to horn dance practice today?
Oh, hey, South.
Nah.
So where are your horns?
My what?
Your horns from the Wow Pow ceremony celebration yesterday?
Oh, those horns. Oh, they're in my dwelling, taking a rest.
Taking a rest?
Yeah, you know how horns get very tired.
You're so weird.
North, where are your horns? And don't be late for horn dance practice.
Oh, they're a little heavy for me.
Heavy? They were made by hand for each of us by Uncat Boo Boo.
You know, mine were a little damaged.
I thought you said they needed a rest.
I did. Something was totally wrong with them, and they were heavy, and the horns need to sleep to gain, to charge, to power up the copper, so I can practice with them. Yeah, that's it.
You know they are a big responsibility.
Yes, I know.
Help! Help! Come quick, I need all scouts on deck. There's something bad going on by the cliffs.
What? We're not supposed to go near the cliffs.
I know, but there are these large plastic ropes and nets in the water.
What?
I got tangled and escaped. I cut the ropes with my copper horns.
That's exactly what I saw yesterday.
The two-leggeds were using these large tubes. It was as they didn't care.
You better be joking.
I'm not. Let's go.
Why would they want to destroy our dwellings?
Yeah, it's our home.
Uncat said there would be a time like this coming. It's time to activate the horns.
We need all for everyone.
Come on!
Oh no, what do I do? Should I go? I need to help our entire community. But what if I mess up and let everyone down? It's a big responsibility. If I don't go, everything will be destroyed. I saw the nets and big tubes draining our home. Everyone is counting on me. Maybe if I try? What if I can't do it? Maybe if I get encouragement that can help me? What do you all think? Do you want to help me charge up my power? Unc Aunt Boo Boo said the water is our power. If you want to help me, place horns on your head like this. Okay, yeah, okay. Yes, I'll do it. Okay, I'll use my copper horns.
We aren't strong enough yet.
Keep pulling. I am pulling.
North, we need you. Hurry, North.
I see something down there.
Let's get the job done today. Pull the nets up.
There's something shiny.
Maybe it's gold.
We have to drain this lake by sundown. It's getting cold. Pull the nets up and drive the tubes deeper.
But what about the fish?
Who cares?
We need to activate the horns. 4 direction circle. Let's go, fam. Aho! We're doing it. Oh, keep on. We almost got this. Horn! We did it. Ho-wah.
I can't believe we did that.
Skilltastic. Wow, wowie.
I am so proud of you all for working together.
We saved our dwellings on Camp Boo Boo.
Come on, lettuce algae pizza for all.
Pizza.
Algae.
Are we vegetarians?
What's a vegetarian?
My favorite, algae pizza.
Let's swim home, y'all. Ma jog.
So little Fry.
What you did was cool.
Yeah, cool.
Cool. Very cool.
Coolio. Me gwitch fries and fries.
What made you do it?
Well, I guess I thought I didn't deserve something so special, like copper horns. It felt like too much of a responsibility or something, but now looking back on it, I was supposed to have these copper horns all along.
Yeah, that's cool.
Copper horns are a part of me. They're a part of who I am. Cool.
It is very cool.
Yeah, because who I am is really cool.
Race you home. Ready, set, ho-wah!
Anamandum, oh hey, oi. Big wedge, neebe. Anamandum, oh hey, oi. Way ha. Anamandum, oh hey,
listen. I'm listening to myself. Can you hear me? I'm here, near the water. I will always take care of the water. Water is sacred.